Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, WE8451 Linear Integrated Circuits and Applications, Unit 5 Application ICs. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic IC voltage regulators LM78 and LM79. And electronic circuits need a DC power supply for their operation. To obtain this DC voltage from 230 volt AC main supply voltage, we need to use a rectifier. Therefore, the filter are used to obtain a steady state DC voltage from the pulsating one. The filtered DC voltage is then applied to regulator which will try to keep the DC output voltage constant in the event of voltage fluctuations or load variations. We know the combination of rectifier and a filter can produce an DC voltage, but the problem with this type of DC power supply is that the output voltage will not remain constant in the event of fluctuations in an AC input or changes in the load current. The output of unregulated power supply is connected at the input of voltage regulator circuit. The voltage regulator is a specially designed circuit to keep the output voltage constant. It does not remain exact constant, it changes slightly due to changes in certain parameters. So the factors of affecting the output voltage, first one is a load current and second one is a input voltage, third one is a temperature. So the IC voltage regulator, there are basically series regulator with all the basic block present inside the IC. Therefore, it is easier to use IC voltage regulator instead of discrete voltage regulator. The important features of IC regulator: number one, programmable output; number two, facility to boost the voltage and current level, and internally provide short circuit current limiting problems, and thermal shutdown and floating point operation to facilitate the higher voltage output. Now, what are the classifications of IC voltage regulator? So, IC voltage regulator, there are the three category: fixed voltage regulator or positive or negative, adjustable output voltage regulator, switching regulator. Now, the fixed and adjustable output voltage regulator are known as linear regulator. A series pass transistor is used and it operates always in this active region. The such regulator, the series pass transistor act as a switches. The amount of power dissipation in it decrease considerable. The third one is a power saving result in is higher efficiency compared to that of linear. Now, the fixed voltage regulator and its applications of linear power supply. It is a wide variety of three terminal device voltage regulator available in a standard package, with the most popular fixed voltage regulator being the 78XX series positive regulator, which range from the very common 7805, that is the positive 5 volt fixed voltage regulator, to the 7824 and plus or minus 24 volt fixed voltage regulator. There is also a 79XX series of fixed negative voltage regulator, which produce a complementary negative voltage from minus 5 to minus 24 volt. But in this range, they only use a positive of 78 XX type. The fixed three terminal regulator is used in the applications where an adjustable output is not required, making the output power supply simple but very flexible, as the voltage it output is dependent only upon the chosen regulator. There are called three terminal voltage regulator because they only have the three terminal to connect to, and those are the input, common and output respectively. The input voltage to the regulator will be in the plus 12 volt yellow wire from the separate transformer supply and is connected between the input and common terminal output. So we can see the structure of voltage regulator in 7809 voltage regulator, that is a 780XX series. So we are applying the input supply voltage and we get the output voltage using the capacitance and using the wires. So the input and output, the second pin is a grounded stage. So the various category of type of 78XX LM78XX series, for example 7805, the minimum input voltage is 7 volt and output voltage is plus 5 volt, and 7808 is a 8 voltage, output voltage is a plus 6 volt, and 7808 is a 10 volt, is a minimum input voltage, output is a plus 8 voltage, and 7809 is a 11 volt and output is a plus 9 volt, and 7812 is a 15 volt and output is a plus 12 volt, and 7815 is a 18 volt and output is a plus 15 volt, and 7818 is a 22 volt, output is a plus 18 volt, 7824 is a 30 volt, output is a plus positive 24 volt. Now the operations, so we see the structure of the circuit diagram. The output voltage of plus a positive 9 volt from the power supply, then all we have to connect the positive voltage regulator to the plus or plus 12 volt yellow wire. So the power supply has already done the rectification and smoothing to the plus 12 volt output. The only additional components required are a capacitor across the input and another across the output. So these additional capacitance aid to the stability of the regulator and can be anywhere between the 100 nanofarad and 300 nanofarad. The additional 100 microfarad output capacitance help smooth out the inherent ripple contact given in the good transition response. And the large value of capacitor placed across the output of power supply is commonly called as smoothing capacitors. Now the 78X series regulator gives a maximum output current of 1.5 amps at fixed stabilized voltages of 5, 6 volt, 8 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt and 15 volt and 18 volt up to 24 volt respectively. But what if we want an output voltage plus 9 volt but only have 7805, the positive 5 volt regulator, the positive 5 volt output of 7805 is a reference to the ground or 0 volt terminal. If we increase this pin number 2 terminal voltage from 0 volt to 4 volt, then the output would also rise by additional 4 volt, providing there was sufficient input voltage. Then by placing a small 4 volt Zener diode between the pin number 2 of the regulator and ground, we can make a 7805 is a 5 volt regulator produce 9 plus 9 volt output in the applications. Now we can see the increasing the output voltage. The 4.3 volt Zener diode require the reverse bias current and around 5 milliamps to maintain an output which is with the regulator taking about the 0.5 milliamps. This total current of 5.5 milliamps is supplied via a resistor R1 from the output pin 3. So the value of the resistor required for a 7805 regulator will be R is equal to 5 volt or 5.5 milliamps. It is equivalent to 910 ohm resistance. The feedback diode D1 connected across the input to output terminal is for protection for prevent the regulator from being reverse biased when the input supply voltage is switched off. When the output supply remains on or active for short period of time due to large inductive load such as motor, then we can use the 3 terminal voltage regulator and a suitable Zener diode to produce a variety of fixed output voltage from our various branch power supply ranges from plus 5 volt to 12 volt, but we can improve on this designed to replace the fixed voltage regulator with a variable voltage regulator such as LM317. So in this lecture we have to completely discuss the IC voltage regulator LM78XS series, that is LM7805, LM7904 voltage regulator. Thank you for watching this video.